everybody, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing my review spread for D-2, the newest album by Agust D, aka Yoongi from BTS. And I recently did a d-2 music video spread, so go check that one out if you haven't seen it. But this one is about the album as a whole, so the songs individually. I've done spreads like this a couple of times, like anytime one of my faves releases an album. It's just, I like being able to get my thoughts down about each individual song, and it like really gives me an excuse to, not that I don't already listen to the full album, but like really listen to it in depth and like really listen to the songs and look up the lyrics and just like find the meanings behind them. So yeah, I really enjoy doing spreads like this. Normally I do it a little bit differently, but I saw someone do this. I think it was for TXT's newest album. They did this kind of thing where they have these like boxes and they just have the titles in like different spots and it's kind of boxed off. I feel like I'm not explaining it very well, but you'll see what I mean. So I'm doing like different lettering for each music title, or each song title I mean, and then the writing underneath, and it's sort of like a collage, but like a very boxy collage, like in very neat sections. So I realized here that I messed up and I actually did Dear My Friend twice, but I really liked where the second one was going, so I decided to finish it and then just cover up the original one. So I used this whiteout tape that I have to cover it up, and add in the song that I forgot, which was Set Me Free. So as far as this spread goes, I really like it a lot aesthetically, but it really didn't give me a lot of room to write about each song, which I don't know if I liked because I just felt like I had a lot more to say. So I just wrote like my main points and my main feelings about each song, but I do think it would have been nice to have a little bit more space to write. But I do like the aesthetic, so I guess sometimes you have to sacrifice one thing for the other. So regarding the songs on this album, I really love d-2, obviously. It just goes really hard and I just like it a lot. I talked about it in my last video. But my other favorites are Burn It. I usually do not like Western collabs, but Max is just really amazing and he just seems like so genuine. And I just love his chorus, and yeah, I just love it a lot. And my other favorite would definitely have to be 28, and I think that's because I relate to it a lot because I will also be turning 28 this year, and I'm feeling a lot of anxiety about getting older and not achieving my dreams and stuff like that, and it's just, I don't know, is that just what being an adult is? Like, yeah, I relate to it a lot. But yeah, I also really love his song with Namjoon, Strange. It's really good. I love Joon's verse a lot. Yeah, I mean, it's a great album. I love Agust D. I mentioned that in my last video that I was super excited for him to release another Agust D album. So yeah, I loved it a lot. I was definitely not disappointed. Not that I ever doubted that I would be. But yeah, anyways, here is a look at the final spread. Again, I really like the aesthetic. I like how it looks. I wish I had had a little bit more room to write, but I guess sometimes you just have to sacrifice that for the aesthetic, right? Anyways, if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!